Our journey begins at the Sunrise Chicken Farm, where ethical practices ensure the highest standards from the very first light. Here, skilled aviculturists oversee every detail, ensuring birds thrive in a harmonious, sustainable environment. In these nurturing coops, hens produce eggs of exceptional quality, the foundation of our premium poultry journey. Ethical checks by veterinarians guarantee every bird's well-being, upholding our commitment to superior standards. Fresh eggs undergo rigorous initial inspections, ensuring only the finest proceed to the next phase of production. Secure storage preserves freshness, with advanced systems maintaining optimal conditions for our premium eggs. Expert graders evaluate each batch, assigning premium grades based on stringent criteria for excellence. The heart of processing awakens as eggs embark on their transformation into wholesome chicken products. Automated loaders handle eggs with care, preventing damage through advanced sensor technology and gentle mechanics. High-pressure washes eliminate impurities, ensuring eggs meet the purest standards in our state-of-the-art facility. Gentle heat treatments preserve nutrients while eliminating pathogens, a crucial step in safe production. Precision machinery separates components efficiently, maximizing yield for superior chicken product development. Round-the-clock monitoring ensures processes stay on track, with experts intervening for flawless execution. Post-treatment checks verify consistency, guaranteeing every piece meets our exacting quality benchmarks. Thorough washing removes residues, preparing products for the drying phase with impeccable cleanliness.
Controlled drying locks in flavor and texture, enhancing the natural qualities of our chicken products.
Expert eyes confirm drying success, ensuring products are ready for the core manufacturing stages ahead.
Conditioning in premium marinades infuses depth, preparing chicken for the artistry of manufacturing.
Designers craft perfect portions, blending tradition and innovation for consumer-ready excellence. Components are meticulously organized, setting the stage for seamless assembly in production lines. Edge preparation perfects each cut, ensuring aesthetic and functional superiority in every product. Advanced bonding techniques secure connections, enhancing durability and presentation of our chicken. Hardware attachments provide structure, readying products for comprehensive structural assembly. Structural assembly forms robust packages, integrating all elements into harmonious wholes. Detail work elevates products with artisanal flair, showcasing human ingenuity in every mark. Artisan hands bring soul to production, transforming raw material into refined masterpieces. Surface finishing imparts a premium sheen, readying products for rigorous quality evaluations. Multiple quality controls scrutinize every aspect, upholding the integrity of our premium lineup. Detail refinement perfects imperfections, ensuring unparalleled quality in final presentations. Final assembly unites all efforts, creating ready-to-market products of exceptional standard. Branding applies our hallmark, signifying quality from farm to the consumer's table. Final approval certifies excellence, paving the way for distribution to eager markets. Behold the finished product, a testament to journey from farm to flawless supermarket readiness. Luxury packaging elevates the product, ensuring safe and stylish arrival at destinations. Branding materials accompany each shipment, telling the story of our dedicated process. Professional photography immortalizes the product, showcasing its appeal for marketing success. Warehouses efficiently store and dispatch, bridging production to widespread availability. In supermarkets, products take pride of place, ready for discerning shoppers to discover. Competitive pricing makes premium chicken accessible, completing the journey to your table. Luxury presentations invite discovery, sharing the story behind every delectable bite. From humble farm beginnings to supermarket splendor, quality defines every step of our process. Ethical foundations ensure sustainability, honoring our promise to animals and environment alike. Unwavering quality controls at every stage deliver the excellence customers deserve and expect. Artisans infuse passion, making each product a story of skill and unwavering dedication. Efficient distribution networks carry our products far, connecting farm freshness to homes everywhere. Ultimately, it's the satisfaction on faces at dinner tables that rewards our entire endeavor. From chicken farm to supermarket shelves, our commitment delivers joy and quality to all.